Hello everybody, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. So currently we are looking out the scale model of Godrej Ananda, the sold at Godrej Ananda phase 3. So in this I'll be explaining you where exactly the 1 BHKs are coming, because there are so many customers who recently contacted and they're confused in 1 BHK. They're not able to recognize, especially NRI customers who are not in Bangalore or India. So those who are finalizing property, this will help you all, and as well as the new buyers who are interested, the new NRI buyers who are interested buying a property, and as well as for domestic customers if you are yet to visit the site, and this will definitely help you knowing where exactly the 1 BHKs are coming. Along with, like, we have 2 BHK Jodi and 3 BHK too. So since we left with only 1 BHK few units, and the new tower they have opened, Tower N, which is currently open for sale with 2 BHK Jodi unit, 1 BHKs, and as well as 3 BHK Jodi apartments. So you can look out. This is the boundary. This one, the outside, you can this is the actual entry and exit, right? And these buildings which you're looking at is phase 1. In between we have a private land. Then we have another entry and exit for the phase 3, right? Phase 1 and phase 2 is towards other side, and phase 3 we have. And phase 3 consists of almost 7 towers. Till here we have 7 towers, and 7 towers, 3 in 3, I mean, there are 3 towers which they launched. Tower number J, H and K, which is sold out. This is tower H, J and K, right? In between tower number K and L there is a gap, everybody. So now 1 BHKs are these ones. You can look out, these are the balconies. So if you're standing in the balcony, either you will have city view, if not the airport view, unless there is any other apartment coming outside the project. Just look out the grand entrance of Godrej Ananda. So we have few units available, everyone. This will be facing the airport, if not airport, Nandi Hills. If not Nandi Hills, if you're taking that side, you will have the internal view, I mean the other towers view. Quite distance is there in between 2 towers. But if you're taking this side, Nandi Hills I'm saying, because as if now there is no land parcel or there is no high-rise apartment next to the project. So in future we are not sure if there are any apartment comes up, then your view will not be there. But however, I don't think so high-rise apartment will come for I mean in a short while. We have a small store next to the project. I think that land belongs to some private owner now, but it's a good unit, everyone. The ventilation part, it's one of the good unit to buy or invest. We have 1 BHK starts from 49.99 lakhs, and the next unit we have it in tower number N, which will be facing the proposed expressway. So these are all internal view apartments. Like 1 BHK in tower N, we have it the other side, which will be facing the proposed expressway. 1 BHKs, everybody. Carpet area is good. The plan of 1 BHK is really attractive. They have given a proper balcony, proper utility outside, open utility, I mean. Then you will have a proper wash basin separate, then a washroom separate and a bathroom separate. It is very difficult. I mean, I'm saying difficult. It is very few builders in the market who give everything in 1 BHK, all these facilities. So now we have it in Godrej Ananda phase 3, spread across 20 acres of land, 20.33 approximate, and it's a RERA approved, BIPA approval, and all the bank approvals if you're looking out for home loan, and comes inside the 3,000 acre development KIADB Aerospace Park and 250 acre residential development. One of the developer we have is Godrej. It's awesome, and it's really nice. So this is that gap. So we have, this is tower K, and in between we have the gap, and then we have other 4 towers. Tower number L, M, N, P, I think. Yes. Windows, these are all 3D images what they have made. It's beautiful. looking very beautiful. Reach us everybody, we'll share our contact number. The inventories are getting sold. This is the last phase, whatever we have, and there will be only 3 towers left as of now. They are yet to open. If you are interested, call before the price goes high and before the inventories get sell off. Thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day, stay safe.